Welcome to my channel, dear students. Today also second video regarding sentence pattern. 6 point subject plus verb plus complement. Complement in which form? As a noun form. Subject verb plus complement. This example. Subject for S for subject, B for verb, C for complement. He is a doctor. Doctor noun. Subject he. Verb is. Complement a doctor. Then subject verb complement. Complement in which form? As an adjective. Example: she is good. She is good. She is beautiful. She is tall. Any but good. Complement. Then subject verb adjective also. Adjective or complement. Both have same meaning, but complement I told you, so I have written good is your complement. See, noun your complement. In case of both as an adjective or as a noun, in both cases complement. Here adjective plus subject plus verb plus adjective. He is handsome. You will surprise it. Here sir, complement adjective also. This structure adjective also. This is the same here. But only I told you this is adjective. Here I told you complement. The complement definition you know. Such a word which completes the meaning of the verb is a complement. So I have written this complement in which verb as an adjective form. Here directly I told you adjective. So he is good, he is bad, he is handsome, he is tall. This way here. So adjective told here I was regarding complement related. So I have written this. But complement kinds as a noun, as an adjective, both cases complement belong. Function, work, acts. This way. Second, 8th point here. 9th point, subject verb. Subject, verb, adverb or adverb. Both adverbs are here. But what is the function? She is very. She is very. Excuse me. Subject verb, adverb, adjective here. Subject she, verb is, adverb very, adjective good. She is very good. she is very nice, she is very beautiful, she is very tall, this way. Then your 10th serial, subject, verb, adverb, adverb, both are adverb here. What is the function of adverb in this structure, in this sentence pattern? This way. Ram runs very fast here. Ram runs very fast. Yes, subject, verb here, here adverb, here also adverb here. Both are adverb. It qualifies this, this qualifies this. Both have qualified each other. So this is the structure of your second video. You should not forget it. What is the definition of subject here? Subject definition you know. I have told you previous classes. What is subject? Subject क्या है? verb जो हमारा एक्शन वर्ड है, एक्शन वर्ड किसके बारे में बताता है? क्या काम करता है? कौन करता है? कौन करता है? हम लोग डिफिनीशन सब्जेक्ट का जानते हैं. द सब्जेक्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड और वर्ड्स अबाउट विच समथिंग इज सेड. जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जाता है वह हमारा सब्जेक्ट है. वर्ब डिफिनीशन आप जानते हैं कि एक्शन वर्ड्स आर वर्ब्स. जो काम करता है वह हमारा जो है एक्शन वर्ड है. कॉम्प्लीमेंट का डिफिनीशन हम बताए थे. आई हैव टॉट यू कि व्हाट इज द डिफिनीशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Complement such a word which gives the such a word which completes the meaning of the verb. ऐसा शब्द जो वर्ब के अर्थ को पूरा करता है उसको हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट कहते हैं. देखिए, जैसे ही इज गुड कहें, ही इज ए डॉक्टर कहें, तो ही इज ए डॉक्टर, ही इज कहने से आपका अर्थ क्लियर नहीं होता है. लेकिन ज्यों ही हम डॉक्टर लगा देते हैं, टीचर लगा देते हैं, त्यों ही इससे सेंटेंस का अर्थ क्लियर हो जाता है. जैसे ही when we use noun or adjective, then after putting it, after using it, noun or adjective, that sentence meaning is clear, is complete, sense is complete. This way your sense is not complete. Sentence gives sense but not complete sense. But after using your complement, noun or adjective, then your sentence is complete. So this is the function of your complement here. Told complement function clear, और verb clear, subject clear, adjective definition you know it, get it, आप जानते हैं. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjective जो adjective वह है जो noun या pronoun की विशेषता बताता है, उसको हम लोग adjective कहते हैं. Adjective I have written in this structure. Adverb I have written also, adverb भी लिखे हैं. I have written adverb. What is the function? What is the definition of adverb here? An adverb is a word which qualifies a verb. An adjective or another adverb. Here another adverb adjective को qualify करता है. Adjective देख लीजिए here. She is very good here. तो वेरी क्वालिफाई गुड को करता है, वेरी क्वालिफाई गुड को करता है। कौन? एडवर्ब का है। और एडवर्ब को भी क्वालिफाई करता है। एंड एडवर्ब इज अ वर्ड व्हिच क्वालिफाई ए वर्ब एंड एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब। एडवर्ब एक दूसरे को भी क्वालिफाई करता है। सो बोथ आर एडवर्ब्स हियर, वेरी एंड फास्ट, सो they qualify, which qualify, adverbs qualify each other. This is the function of your adverb. Subject I told you, predicate, यहाँ linking verb के बारे में हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे बाद में कि what is linking verb, what is the feature of linking verb. Only I told you verb क्या है ना? verb क्या है? verb की हम डिफिनेशन किए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो जब हम देंगे कभी तो उसमें लिंकिंग वर्ब क्या है, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लिंकिंग वर्ब, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ वर्ब, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. These topics will be taught previous. No, next classes, next video I will give you, I will put up before you, then it will be clear also. Okay, so this is your video, or you will practice it more and more at home. You will feel difficulty. I will teach you, I will give you concept, your concept will be clear, you will be bold, no doubt. So, it is the formula. What is your formula? To practice daily, you will practice daily, then no problem to take concept. So, like my video is favorable in favor of you, then you will subscribe it, share and like. You will not forget them. Okay, thank you. Good day.